Good evening, everyone. It is February 7th, 2017. We are doing another NHL ASG break. This is break 7 of 8, so we only have one more break left. And then we can give away that complete set. As that's the promo giveaway, guys. So this is an NHL ASG break. This is 2015-16 Upper Deck Premier Hockey 5-box break number 1. You get 3 random teams per spot. Before we open up the 5-box break, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams with the dice roller here. Here are the list of names. Everybody gets 3 spots, 3 random teams per spot. Nick K has a couple spots in this, but he also gets last spot mojo. So we'll see what his last spot mojo teams get him. So, and here is the teams. So let's roll the dice, guys. Ooh, 3, 1 and a 2. That's 3 times. Quick randomizer. 3 times on the names first. Let's go. 1, 2. Third and final time. Good luck. There it is. 3 times. Derek is right at the top, and Stephen Arthur is right at the bottom. So let's put this in the sheet. Now 3 times on the teams. Dun dun dun. All right, let's go 3 times. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2. Third and final time. Good luck. And 3 times. Minnesota Wild at the top. Washington Capitals at the bottom. Let's match it up. So, Derek, you have the Minnesota Wild. Nick K with last spot mojo gets the Chicago Blackhawks and the Carolina Hurricanes. Ryan P with the Florida Panthers. Nick K is last spot mojo gets the Calgary Flames. Lucas B with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Darren McKenzie with the Arizona Coyotes. Nick K with the Ottawa Senators as well as the Tampa Bay Lightning. Darren Porter with the Vancouver Canucks. Lucas with the Detroit Red Wings. Derek with the New York Islanders. Nick K with the San Jose Sharks as well as the Dallas Stars. Ryan P with the Colorado Avalanche and the Edmonton Oilers. There you go, Ryan. Ryan stepped up to the plate and said, hey, you know what? I'm going to get another spot. So, congratulations, Ryan. Steven with the New Jersey Devils. Ryan P with the Montreal Canadiens. Lucas B with the Boston Bruins. Darren with the St. Louis Blues. Mackenzie, at least. Darren Porter with the Anaheim Ducks. Darren McKenzie with the Nashville Predators. Ryan P with the Philadelphia Flyers. Darren Porter with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Nick K with the Columbus Blue Jackets and the New York Rangers. Ryan P with my Los Angeles Kings right there. Derek with the Buffalo Sabres. Steven with the Winnipeg Jets and the Washington Capitals. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys, to see if there is any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up this 5-box break of Premier Hockey. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. There it is. Yeah, there were no trades, guys. Sorry about that. I wanted to make sure that was recording. There were no trades, guys. So, here's the list again. Premier Hockey, number 1, 3 random teams each. We did number 2 before number 1. How about that? You know what I mean? So, crazy day. So, like I said, here it is, Premier Hockey. This is the second half of the inner case. We did the inner case for number 2, so this is the second half. So, let's see if some Connor McDavid comes out of these Premier boxes. Really nice high-end stuff here, guys. What's going on here? Doesn't matter which box I do. Like I said, some of these tins were actually autographed, so we'll see if we do have an autographed tin. I think they only made like 4 out of the whole run, but I don't really know how many have been actually pulled. But they say that there's a couple of these tins that are signed by Connor McDavid, so we can always slow play this. What's going on here? Why is it not ripping? There it is. Alright, guys. Good luck. Alright, well, this one's not signed. So once again, I'm going to use this blank right there to the left of me. Cover up the hits. Now let's put this sheet right here. Alright, guys. Good luck. First card. Some Jason King Mojo. That's rookie premieres Derek Forbert for the Los Angeles Kings. Los Angeles Kings. That is Ryan P. with that hit. Next one is Ryan Hartman for the Chicago Blackhawks. Rookie premieres. That's 319 of 399. Chicago Blackhawks. And that's Nick K with one of his last spot mojo teams. Actually, I'm going to put these over here, guys. Next one. Erik Karlsson for the Ottawa Senators. 159 of 399. Ottawa Senators. That's Nick K with the hit again. Alright. Now, rookie premiere auto patch. That's Anton Bibeau. That's 30 of 375 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And that's a hit for Darren Porter and the Toronto Maple Leafs. There you go, Darren Porter. Next one. Oh, we have one of these big jumbos again. And it is a Nick Foligno for the Columbus Blue Jackets Mega Patch Premier Sleeve Numbers. And that is a 4 of 4. Nice hit for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And that's Nick K with the hit. 4 of 4. Man, that's sweet. There you go, Nick. Next one is rookie premiere signatures. That's Nick Ritchie for the Anaheim Ducks. And that's another hit for Darren Porter and the Anaheim Ducks. Last card of the box is a premier rookie auto for the Chicago Blackhawks, 350 of 399. That is Kyle Bond with the Chicago Blackhawks, and that's a hit for Nick K. Another hit for Nick K in this break so far. All right, guys, that was one box. Let's move on. Let's go on to box 2. Magneto, he just took a shot. Weber shot like a champ. You know he's a local actually. Magneto was a junior king, and he's from Long Beach. My brother was like, that'd be cool if the Kings would have picked him up off waivers. He would have been back home, even though he was a Shark. All right, guys, next box. Rookie Premier jersey for the Winnipeg Jets. That's Andrew Kopp. For the Winnipeg Jets. And that's Stephen Arthur with that hit. Next one. Colin Miller for the Boston Bruins. 328 of 399. Boston. That's Lucas B with the hit. Next one. Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. Alexander the Great, 175 of 399. That's Stephen Arthur with the Washington Capitals. Alright, guys. Another hit for the Ducks. That's Stefan Noesen. Rookie auto patch, 115 of 375. For the Anaheim Ducks and Darren Porter. What's going on, Rob Smith? Joe's out sick today, so I'm Jason. I'm the Hockey Breaker. But I'm also dual streaming on the HobbyLand and HockeyLand, breaking all sports today. So we're trying to get that NT baseball filled. That's close. Next one. Oh, wow. Look at this. Premier Quads. 3 of 10. You do have the great Connor McDavid there. Taylor Hall, Draisaitl, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 3 of 10 for the Edmonton Oilers. What a hit right here. Wow. There you go. Edmonton Oilers. That's Ryan P. 3 of 10. 3-color patch in two of the quads. There you go, Ryan. Draisaitl's having a great year this year. Next one is Josh Anderson, Premier Rookies Auto. 64 of 65 for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And that's Nick K with the hit. Last card of the box. Some Kyle Kramer mojo with the Colorado Avalanche. 134 of 149. That's Matt Duchene and Gabriel Landeskog of the Colorado Avalanche. And that's Ryan P with the hit. Alright, guys, that's 2 boxes out of 5. Now this is box 3. Remember, guys, we only have one more break in the store for HockeyLand to unlock that promo, and that's Artifacts. Alright, good luck, guys. Some of these tins could be autographed, so kind of like to slow play them just a little bit. Alright, guys, good luck. Box 3 of 5 coming up. Noah Hannafin. That's a rookie premiere jersey. Carolina Hurricanes. That's Nick K with the hit. Nick Cousins for the Flyers. 198 of 399 for the Philadelphia Flyers. And that's Ryan P with the hit. Shea Weber. 103 of 399 for the Nashville Predators. And that's Darren McKenzie, Flyers fan with that hit. Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks. 37 of 399. Vancouver Canucks. That's Darren Porter. Alright, guys, let's see. Rookie Premier Auto Patch. That's Robbie Fabry. 135 of 375 for the St. Louis Blues. And that's Darren McKenzie with the Blues. Next one. Oh, nice. Look at this. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin and Phil Kessel, 10 of 15. Look at that Reebok patch right in Evgeny Malkin. 3-color patch down there for Phil Kessel. What a card for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Wow, look at that. That's a sweet card. Pittsburgh Penguins. That's Lucas B. with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Next one is Mike McCarron. That's a rookie premier auto. That's 12 of 49 for the Montreal Canadiens. And that's Ryan P. with the hit. Last card of this box. Another autograph for the Montreal Canadiens and Ryan. Rookie premier Daniel Carr, 395 of 399 for the Montreal Canadiens. And that is Ryan P. Alright guys, that was box 3. Let's go to box 4. Alright guys, box 4. Good luck everyone. Mikko Rantanen, rookie premier jersey for the Colorado Avalanche. Colorado Avalanche, that's Ryan P. Cards were kind of stuck. Mike McCarron, rookie premieres, 385 of 399 for the Montreal Canadiens, and that's Ryan P. with the hit. Oh, you had a hat trick today, Kyle? Another hit for the Colorado Avalanche. Joe Sakic, 273 of 299. That's another hit for the Avalanche, and that's Ryan P. A hit for the Ottawa Senators, and that's Nick K. with the hit. Auto rookie patch, that's 12 of 375 for the Ottawa Senators, and Nick K. 2-color patch and the auto. Matt Pumpel. Looks like, oh, we have a redemption here, guys. So I'm going to put the redemption right there, and I'll move on with the rest of the cards. Next one, rookie premier signatures, Montreal Canadiens. That's Mike Condon. And that's another hit for Ryan P. and the Montreal Canadiens. Last card, and then I'll do the redemption. Nice. Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning, 145 of 199. That is Steven Stamkos in the Tampa Bay Lightning. Who has Tampa Bay? That's Nick K. with the hit. Alright, guys. We have this redemption now. Let's see what it is. It's a thick redemption, too. Let's see who it is. This is a NHL UD Premier Acetate Rookie Auto Patch. Card number 113, number to 375. Wow, for the Chicago Blackhawks, that's Artemi Panarin. Chicago Blackhawks with that hit. That's Artemi Panarin. Blackhawks hit. That goes to Chicago, and that's Nick K with last spot mojo. Alright, guys. That was box 4. This is the final box of Premier Hockey 15-16. This was the 7th promotional break we had to get filled. So now we only have one more. And that is Artifacts. Well, you got a McDavid patch, Ryan, out of that 10, so can't say no McDavid yet. But who knows? Maybe he's in this last box. All right, guys. Oh yeah, that is a big RPA. That's true. All right. Good luck, everyone. For the Calgary Flames, Emile Poirier, rookie premier jersey. That is Nick K with one of his last spot mojos. There's that guy, Artemi Panarin. Rookie premieres. 296 of 299 for the Chicago Blackhawks. And that's Nick K with that hit. Jason Spezza for the Dallas Stars. 223 of 399. Dallas Stars, that is also Nick K. How many spots did you end up getting, Nick? Did you get 3? I think you did get 3. Next one. Henrik Samuelsson. That's your premier rookie auto patch. What a nice patch. And that looks like the H. That's 369 of 375. Henrik Samuelsson. For the Arizona Coyotes. Who has the Arizona Coyotes? That's Darren McKenzie with this hit. Ooh, what a nice one. Look at this. That's Premier Collection. That's Oscar Lindbergh. That's a Super Rookies. That's 8 of 15. What a nice 3-color patch in there. 8 of 15 for the Rangers. It's a nice looking card. New York Rangers. That is Nick K. Next one. Ooh, look at this. Legendary Premier Signatures. Luke Robitaille. The highest scoring left winger of all time in NHL history. Some Jason King mojo right there. Los Angeles Kings. That's Ryan P. And the last card of the break is a rookie premier auto for the Philadelphia Flyers as Anthony Stolarz. 93 of 399. Philadelphia Flyers. That is Ryan P. with the hit. And that was the break, folks. That was a 5-box break of Premier Hockey. Like I said, this was break 7 of 8, so we only have one more break to fill, so that way we can give away that complete set. So go to JaspysHockeyLand.com. It's Artifacts is the break we had to fill. I think we're down to 24 left. So thanks for everybody that got into this break. Like I said, if you did go hitless, you will be getting a free pack of Series 2 Hockey. Any break with us, any box break with us that's 3 or more boxes, we will be we give away a free pack. That way you don't go hitless with Upper Deck products. So I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time, guys.